What's up mga kabites? It's your resident biter, Riri Bites. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here today sa Guadalupe, walking to my house. It's raining. Actually just drizzling, pero umuulan kanina. Anyway, I have a quick kwento. I just ate in McDo from my workout. And there's this guy na trying to get gravy sa parang nung kukunin niya na yung food niya. And I was next in line. I was gonna get my gravy as well. But yung gravy ng McDo, hindi pa nare-refill. So even me, I would think na gravy din yun. I was about to scoop, pero yun pala water siya, pero medyo cloudy. So it kinda looks like gravy. So the guy, parang, he tried to make dukot yung parang water, yung ilalim ng gravy usually na may pump. Actually, tinanggal yung parang may pump-ish thingy. So, kaya wala siyang something na pang pump. So parang ako, me personally, I would think na dudukutin din. And same as the guy, he thinks na you have to make dukot the gravy inside. But it wasn't gravy, it was just water. So he had his food and his Coke in his tray. And then, syempre mahirap yun. Kasi syempre, di ba? Parang, what's gonna do? What's gonna happen? Mahirap yun kasi he only has one hand. Kasi yung other hand niya was holding the tray. So nabuhos yung Coke. Nabuhos yung Coke niya. And then I told him, Kuya, baka pwede mong papalitan yan. Kasi di mo naman nainom, sayang. Sabi niya, okay lang, never mind. And then he kinda looks innocent, na parang kawawa. Naawa ako sa kanya. So ayun, umalis na siya. He went to his table upstairs. And then I had a good idea of asking for his Coke dun sa other waitresses, sa other attendants. Sabi ko, ate, nabuhos yung Coke niya kasi sinubukan niyang dukutin yung gravy. Eh, hindi pala yung gravy, that was just water. So sabi ko, in-explain ko, kawawa naman, nabuhos niya kasi akala niya, dudukutin niya sana, nahirapan siya. Kaya nabuhos yung Coke niya, sayang. Sabi niya, oh sige sir, oo nga, kawawa naman, sayang. So ayun, ni-refill ng manager. Thanks sa manager ng Guadalupe McDo. So ayun. Ang tawag dito. So I got it. I waited for the gravy and I got my gravy. And then afterwards, what did I do? Oh yeah, I gave his Coke. I went upstairs. I looked for the guy kasi I remembered what he looked like. I remembered his shirt. And then I gave him his I gave him his Coke and he was so shocked. Sabi niya, wala sir, okay lang sir, walang problema sir. Sabi ko, okay lang kuya, sinabi ko sa kanila anong nangyari. So parang okay lang yan, pwede mo namang papalitan yan kasi hindi mo namang kasalanan talaga. So sabi niya, thank you so much. Parang nagpasalamat siya, parang na-surprise siya. And then he was very very happy na parang okay, parang I didn't have to kasi probably for him parang nahiya na siya or probably mura lang naman ang Coke, so parang hindi niya na ginawang big deal talaga. Anyway, so ayun, nanaawa pa rin ako sa kanya kasi hindi nga siya humingi ng water man lang. So wala siyang padulak dun sa food niya. Anong tawag dito? Wala siyang padulak sa food niya, so but he still ate. He tried to eat, and that's parang for me not a good thing na parang kakain ka tapos ini-expect mo may panula ka. Yeah. So what happened was, ano ba sinabi niya? I was eating and then I didn't expect any other thank you kasi nag-thank you naman na siya. But afterwards, pagkatapos niyang kumain, una siyang natapos, ang ginawa niya is lumapit siya sa akin, sabi niya, sir, boss ba yun? Or sir, boss, sabi niya, boss, thank you talaga ha. Parang first time ko kasi sa mga ganitong lugar. First time niya sa McDo. Parang naawa ako sa kanya kasi parang, oh my God. He didn't look, naman, na parang madumis. He looks super clean but he's very innocent. Yung parang hindi po niya expect na gano'n. And then, yeah, may mga tao talaga na parang hindi pa nakakapag-McDo or hindi sanay. I mean, baka nakapag-McDo siya before or nakapag-fast food. Pero hindi siya sanay sa mga ganong situation wherein pwede niyang papalitan. Hindi niya expect na pwede. So parang sabi niya, thank you talaga sir. So I shook his hand. Sabi ko, okay lang kuya, no problem. Parang sabi ko, God bless you. And he looks super parang thankful. So parang, you know, this is a reminder for everyone na stay nice. No matter how simple you think yung ginawa mo, it will still matter to everyone, to anyone. Sometimes people can just be wary kasi, you know, may mga nagta-take advantage. So syempre, di natin maiiwasan na if you try to be nice to people, medyo skeptical sila. So that's normal kasi, especially here in Manila. So parang not everyone is like legit nice. So parang they can take advantage. So parang they're just watchful about that. But that guy, parang nung binigay ko yung Coke sa kanya, it's just a very simple gesture. Parang I just feel really good. I didn't really wanna, you know, parang make a big deal about this. Pero kasi, ayan lang, nagustuhan ko lang yung, na-happy lang ako. Gusto ko lang i-share yung nangyari. Kasi parang, I made a huge impact dun sa life niya. Feeling ko lang. And sana, I hope the kuya will always have a good life. Parang a safe, alam mo yun, parang experience dito wherever he is going or whatever. So parang ganun lang, he's really parang super innocent, malinis talaga si kuya. Parang I mean yung ganun, yung parang okay siya, parang hindi ko expect talaga na medyo inosente siya, ganun. So and he's just super thankful, mabait, walang kabastusan or whatever. Hindi siya parang umano sa akin or whatever kasi syempre obviously di ba I'm gay. So ayun lang, if you haven't yet, please do click subscribe, please click like, drop your comments kung anong masasabi nyo sa experience ko. I'm sweating, I'm sorry. If naglalakad ako, it usually happens. Follow all of my social media, nasa baba po ang mga links. And see you next video. Bye!